What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Rudy LSP with another video. Today we're back at the shop. So today I had planned on working on my motor. I wanted to pressure wash it and paint it all black, and I also wanted to paint the intake black. The intake is pretty dirty too, so I wanted to give it a wash, but the weather's not helping me and I can't pressure wash it in here in the shop, so I'm gonna have to wait for tomorrow and get that thing going for you guys. Because remember, I want to make it out to the event that's happening on December 3rd, and it's gonna get lit. I'm gonna be out there for sure. I'm gonna take my truck, and for sure I want to run it and have a good time. So right now we're heading to Walmart. I'm gonna go get them black spray paint so I can paint the motor right now. Maybe tomorrow ya ponemos el motor, the transmission, and the drive shaft.
Tomorrow.
What is up, guys? Today's another day. So I painted the motor. I didn't record the process and stuff like that because I just pressure washed it and cleaned it and spray painted. So here's the outcome. That's the outcome, but overall it looks badass. I really like the outcome. Back then I wasn't a big fan of painting the whole block, but now it grew on me. It looks badass. Me personally, I like it. So I'll try it on my lawn. Well guys, I have a little bit of bad news. I was setting up the motor already, so I was trying to set up these studs right here. They go like right here, and I broke one. I broke one in there. I have to remove the intake again, send it to somebody so I can take out the piece of stud, and then we go on from there. So otra vez tengo que quitar el intake, llevárselo a alguien para que le saque el pedazo de tornillo que queda ahí. Como les digo, that's the only thing. Es un contratiempo. Everything was going good. Little things like this always gonna happen, I already know. But yeah, remove the intake again, take it to somebody that can fix it, slap it back in there. But for now, I'm not gonna bore you with this stuff. So right now, check out this video. I take a ride along on a 700 horsepower supercharged Dodge Ram.
¿La estoy dejando siempre, güey?
Pues ya lo voy a meter el motor. ¿Tú echaste el black motor?
Hace como madre.
Lo pinté todo black, güey. Y ya se lo voy a meter para atrás. Ya le hice refresh a la tranny.
Okay.
Y ya nada más lo armarlo para atrás, güey. Ya estaba jalando, güey. Nada más que pues pasó ese pedido, vale, verga. Nada más. Estaba malona. Ride along vid, cause es la second time que me subo esta truck, pero ya tiene over a year.
Esta madre me gusta porque está diferente que el pinche turbo que... Hace cuenta la tuya. Instant, la verga.
Sí, güey.
Y también hace hook bien mamalona.
Sí, güey.
Chido.
Al chile jala bien verga, vato. Y está bien drivable, güey. Está bien street.
Bien streakable.
Streakable.
Ahorita estás pulsando en segunda, güey.
Oh, sí.
Primeras.
Esa es primera.
levantó, güey. ¡Qué pala, güey! Cuando venta tercera, güey, lleva como a casi los 95, maybe 100. Y lo he leído otro poquito más.
Sí, yo lo sentí como unos 130.
¿Ya manejarla?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mira, pinche bait cut.
Pinche full weight truck.
Oh, yeah.
Daily driver a la verga. Cala y no balona.
Oh, con este cut. Dale como a 65 por ahí va. ¿Y sabe por qué con half tank, güey? Se hace como que el gas se va para atrás cuando lo junto, güey. Se va a estar un poquillo. Ya 65 está más o menos bien.
¿Cuánto power más o menos piensas que trae? ¿Unos 700?
Maybe, güey, sí.
650? 650, 700?
Es fun power, pa.
Sí,
Mero, pa.
Ojalá la mía se mueva así con nitrous arriba, güey. Porque la mía tiene el power, güey, pero ya no sigue
Pushing.
Ya no sigue pushing, güey.
Dale, güey, leve nomás.
And alright guys, that's a wrap for this video. Future videos, I'm gonna be posting once a week, maybe twice a week. So stay tuned, please like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.